The maintenance module is built to deliver various types of information supplied by vehicle manufacturers. This is displayed by mileage or kilometers or other types of intervals determined by vehicle selected and your shop settings. The maintenance module defaults to the Services tab. Mileage intervals are the primary display item here for most vehicles, with any time-based services listed directly below them. Show Hide Filters button controls filter selection display. In this instance, the Maintenance 1/2 options for GM vehicles are shown, as well as the normal or severe options under general driving conditions. Program default is set to severe, which displays more frequent service intervals. This can be changed to normal, however, it reverts back to severe for the next lookup. If you are servicing a GM vehicle, current maintenance codes include an option to select Maintenance 1 and Maintenance 2 services. This opens up a new display row for indicator services. Some vehicles use indicator type maintenance based not on mileage but also driving conditions, time, and other factors. For these, select the appropriate checkbox and then the relevant data will be displayed. You'll still see mileage and time-based information as supplied by the manufacturer. Users may advance the mileage intervals display by either clicking on a mileage reading or clicking the right arrow tool to display more intervals. If the mileage has been entered, it will appear directly above the closest service interval. Each interval provides access to the manufacturer's recommended service details required for that specific vehicle. Footnotes are displayed at the bottom of the maintenance page. Please note that when your mouse pointer is on any of the footnote numbers next to a service item, the footnote text displays. This saves having to scroll down to the actual footnotes area to read what it means. In the upper right corner, users will find the Print button, which launches a print preview. You can also add consumer-friendly maintenance descriptions to improve customer engagement by selecting Consumer Report under Options. Clicking on Print inside the preview window will send this maintenance document to your printer. Locations is where users can confirm location of any service procedure or component selected. Procedures is where to find the specific steps in text and graphics supporting the selected service item. Specs is where specifications are listed for any selected service or component. Reset is a direct link to reset procedures for indicator lights that appear on a vehicle dashboard. This shortcut eliminates the need to leave maintenance and look for it elsewhere.